Hi guys, it's Cosmic Opal here, and I'm going to be doing more Forgotten Desert because I want betas. Totally not doing this after I've already recorded the entire video, cough cough. Sunglasses. Anyways, let's start. Okay, we finally... Oh! Rare Stegosaurus. Is that a rare item Monday? Likely. And guess who screwed up on the greens again? It was me, of course. Okay. They keep on giving me the right map. I'm so happy. Thank you. Please keep doing this. I love you, AJ. We have our green prize. Scary balloons. I'm terrified. Look at those balloons. They're so scary. And bat glasses.
Oh.
There's Snowflake 360 in the background who's supposed to be being quiet, but not being quiet.
You're welcome.
Haha. Be quiet. Okay. Woo! Is that beta? I think that's rare. I think that's rare. Okay. Okay. I'm going to Google it, but wow. Okay. That's the moment of truth. Is this going to be done beta? It is! Oh my god! I really didn't expect that. I really expected that to be some sort of necklace, and I was just getting too excited, but no. Woo! I really didn't expect that. I really didn't expect that. And yet again, I'm disappointed. But, wow. Wow. Okay, now I'm doing it with the team. See ya. Okay, so we have our first thing. Drum. I don't know what that looks like right now. Okay, what's it gonna be? A king's crown. Okay. Somebody from the left. Okay. I don't know what looks. Last shard for this one. We got antlers. Okay, I have 15 minutes. Oh no. And we have cowboy boots. Okay. We have a freedom hat. Ooh. And we have a oh, I love those. And we have a firefly necklace. Woo. And what's it gonna be? Square glasses. I keep on getting glasses. So we have round glasses, 24/7, and other adventures off camera. And then, is that? Hold on. Disappointment. It's a member sword. Okay, whatever. And it's a sun balloon. What do people do with that? I don't think I've ever seen that before. And we have a freedom hat. Isn't that like the second one in this video? Yeah. Yeah, it is. We did silver or white in this one. That's good. I like that. And okay, wait, those were in the stores a while ago, right? Okay. See, when I was your age, we still had green painted pots in stores. Okay, I want to see somebody make a good look with these. There are a lot of items that I want. I'm keeping that on. Just... Okay, so I just realized that half of the maps that I've been skipping I could have actually used. And I'm not exactly happy about it.
Well, I learned something.
Yep. And I don't know what this item is worth, but I doubt that it's worth anything. So. Okay. So we're not going to skip this map, okay? Okay. Never mind. I actually have to use them a different way, so bleh. Boop. Oh wow, all of a sudden I'm getting a bunch of pirate swords. Okay, hold on, is that the same pirate sword that... Wait, hold on. I'm in... Oh my god, they're the same. Okay, sorry, my recording software decided that it wasn't going to record, but I got this rare knitted hat from a white chest. Another apology for background noise. My family is being loud, so let's go. So we have Still Look Pretty going on in the background. I don't think Animal Jam likes that song. Because, again, that's the second one today. Not today, but this video. Bro. Okay. And, Phantom shirt. Where did you get those? I can't remember. Were those in the carnival? She is still playing. It Still Look Pretty. And this is why I'm getting rare flower bracelets instead of spikes. It's my sister's fault, okay? Okay. Okay. So, for a little bit, her new song was Dancing Queen. Let's see if Animal Jam likes that. Does Animal Jam like Dancing Queen? We already have one, so bad. Okay. Hey! It's a shame that they're very much angel wings, but there's still much angel wings. Hey! Okay. We got another golden tiara. We're getting so many duplicates. This is the third duplicate this video. Oh lord. We have a pottery wheel! I don't remember if that's worth anything. And we have a horn helmet that's really ugly. I don't like it. Okay. Look at all of my OCs! I'm sorry. Hey! I got some rare sunglasses. Hold on. That's what I'm going to wear now. I never liked those ponytails. Oh, I look awesome. Okay. It's a rare winter blanket. I remember I was obsessed with those at one point. I'm with, Swagger Schooler. She's helping me out. Woo! And we have our second prize. Is that a member sword? Yeah. Sad. And, Swagging found our second one. It's a clover... What? Blanket! I'm okay. I'm okay. Do you like this den? I love this den. And this song especially. But, that's going to be it for this video. Thank you very much for sticking with me this entire time. Until the next time, though, have fun and jam on.